Hi everyone, it's Joy from the blog Artful Homemaking. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade essential oil air freshener. We try really hard not to use a lot of chemicals in our home, and one of the things that I kind of miss is, things like scented candles and air freshener type things, make your house smell nice. You can use essential oils to scent your home. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple homemade air freshener using some essential oils. Now today I've chosen, we're going to make a citrus mint air freshener, and so I've got wild orange and peppermint. And you can use lots of different combinations of essential oils to get different scents. Another really good one is lemon and lavender, and you could just do plain lavender or you could do plain peppermint. But today we're going to try a citrus mint combination. This is another really simple thing to make. I almost always get questions of, why can't you use plastic? You can use a plastic bottle. I just really like glass ones, so I kind of stick with them. And if you reuse them over and over again, I feel like they're worth the price. So anyway, so I've got a glass spray bottle and some vodka and my essential oils and then some distilled water, and that's all you need. So what you're going to do first is put I've already got 1/4 of a cup of vodka in this measuring cup, and I'm just going to add the essential oils to the vodka. So I'm going to try 12 drops of wild orange. That came out kind of fast, so I couldn't count it exactly, but about 12 drops of that and about 8 drops of peppermint. And I can smell already, it has a really good smell, these two together. So I'm going to be also using a funnel just to help me not make too big of a mess. So just combine those two things together in your jar, bottle, spray bottle, whatever. And then kind of swirl it around and mix it up. That smells really good. I actually really like that combination. And then you're just going to add the 1 cup of distilled water. And then you're going to put the sprayer on and shake it around, and you'll want to be sure that you go ahead and label it so you know what's in this. Let me see, I haven't used this. Smelling the essential oils. That has a really nice scent. Now, as I said before, it is a much lighter scent than a chemical air freshener is going to be. And that may be disappointing. I do often get comments from people who are disappointed that essential oils don't create more of a scent. If you do want a stronger scent, you may want to try just using a diffuser and putting your essential oils in the diffuser, and that seems to kind of more saturate the air with the fragrance of the essential oils. But if you're just wanting something to spray around the room, which I've done here, and it smells very much like wild orange and peppermint in here right now, which I love that combination. This is a great alternative to chemical air freshener. So if you want to make your own homemade essential oil air freshener, this is a super simple way to do that. It's very easy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button. I make new videos every week, and I'd love for you to join me as we create a simple, natural, handmade home.